Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can find your YouTube channel ID from your phone. It is very easy, just be with me. First of all, you need a phone, and from here go to your Google Chrome app. Click on your Google Chrome app, and from the search option write down youtube.com/account and click on enter, and it will automatically take you to your YouTube's account. From here you will find view advanced settings. Click on view advanced settings, and here you can easily find your user ID, your channel ID, and two other options, which is move channel and delete channel. You can easily copy your channel ID and share with someone else. This is one of the process through which you can find your channel ID very easily. I'm going to show you another process, which is go to your Google Chrome and write down youtube.com. It will take you to the official homepage of YouTube, and from here it takes some time to reload. And here in the top left corner you'll find 3 arrow button. Click on here, and you will find settings option in the down below. Click on settings option, and you will find your accounts which is selected, and here you can click view advanced settings, and it will automatically take you to that account settings option. So here you will find your channel ID. You can write them down, or you can easily copy it to your notepad also. So this is the process through which you can find your YouTube channel ID. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video as well, and if you are finding any issue regarding this video, do let us know in the comment section. We'll get back to you later on. Thank you.